Amazon dropshipping, also known as retail arbitrage, involves sourcing products from Amazon's marketplace at a lower price and selling them at a higher price on other platforms or through your own website. This business model eliminates the need for inventory storage and shipping, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs with limited resources. By leveraging Amazon's vast customer base and logistics network, dropshippers can quickly and efficiently fulfill orders without the overhead costs associated with traditional e-commerce businesses. However, it's essential to ensure that the products you source are profitable and in demand, as competition on Amazon can be fierce. Additionally, Amazon has strict policies against dropshipping, so it's crucial to follow their guidelines and avoid any violations. Overall, Amazon dropshipping offers a flexible and low-risk way to start an e-commerce business, but it requires careful planning and execution to succeed. To start with Amazon dropshipping, follow these steps. 1. Create an Amazon seller account. Go to Amazon's website and sign up for a seller account. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. 2. Find profitable products. Look for products that are in high demand but have low competition. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon Bestsellers, and Jungle Scout to find profitable products. 3. Find reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Make sure they have a good reputation, competitive prices, and fast shipping times. 4. Set up your store. Create listings for your products on Amazon using the supplier's product information. Make sure to include high-quality images, detailed product descriptions, and competitive prices. 5. Manage orders. Once you start receiving orders, forward them to your supplier. Make sure to communicate clearly with your supplier about shipping times and any other important details. 6. Monitor performance. Keep track of your sales, profits, and customer feedback. Use this information to optimize your listings and improve your overall performance on Amazon. 7. Expand your business. As you gain experience and confidence in Amazon dropshipping, consider expanding your product line or exploring other e-commerce platforms like eBay or Walmart Marketplace.